So, what kind of gear you got here?
So this is a Hiwi kit from 1942. Hiwis are Soviet defectors or POWs that volunteered to help the German military with road work, anti-partisan work, just the menial work. They never saw frontline combat. The only combat they see is anti-partisan role. As you can see, this is what they would normally wear for a anti-partisan operation. Bread bag. Usually a Soviet gas mask bag, but they would use, sometimes they had the bread bag, but common they had the Soviet gas mask bag.
And it's a good thing they defect because Stalin is a piece of crap.
Yeah, he is. They went to the almighty father Adolf Hitler. Anyways, they had one ammo pouch only because they're only fighting partisans. They're not fighting the whole military. So
is it like some sort of a symbolism towards their inferiority or something?
yes, in theory, the Germans didn't trust them with their weaponry. So most of the time they issued them most of the guns, their own Russian weapons, because they didn't get too much priority when it came to equipment.
They don't have no tornister?
No tornister, nothing. They use all their Soviet gear. Sometimes the Germans would issue them their belts, their uniform, as you can see. That they will only issue them like the old uniforms most of the time, like the M36.
Did they ever equip them with the M16 uniform?
No.
No, like World War I German?
No World War I German.
What happened?
The only one World War I item they have is the helmet. The
M16.
Anyways, yeah. Also with the uniform, they removed the swastika and all the shoulder boards, just because they thought the Russian people weren't inferior to wear their insignia, so they took it out.
Can I see what's inside the bread bag?
Oh yeah. So I have a cleaning kit.
Those must have been hard to find. You got personal items?
No. I got a sock and some
these.
glasses.
Glasses.
Yeah.
Hey, don't worry, I brought a map.
Oh, I'm trying to. He's making a video of me, bro.
Look at this map.
This is the map to find happiness.
This is where you live. This is where you live. You live right here.
Cooties.
Yeah, cooties.
Yes, but that's all much with the kit. There isn't that the Hiwis. I mean, they're just seen as like slave labor, free slave labor.
Oh.
The Soviets, they, according to my source, Google, that most of them joined just to escape the POW, the horrible POW camps, or just
Yeah, the fact that that their people are willing to defect to Hitler, even though they knew that they're gonna have not better lives, showcase how trash the Soviet Union is, right?
Yeah, the Germans had a whole propaganda about throwing leaflets, propaganda, say surrender to the Germans, they'll treat you fine. They're more better than the Soviets.
I mean, at least it's not a good deal, but it's
Better than
better
fighting
nothing.
under Stalin.
Can we kill this guy right here? Can we just go?
Yeah, well, what are you dressed up as?
I'm dressed up as Vichy France. I love Picton. We go like Marjan. Yeah, I will ensure total British destruction. Mashallah. Mashallah.
Allah Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Yeah, we don't like British people.
yeah, their food is not good.
Yeah.
They live in a boring island.
Imagine British go like.
Nice gear you got here.
Yeah, he's just dressed up as a schizophrenic.
Yeah.
Hey, let's do the dance. Hey, let's show. Hey, we need to show you our people dance. Ready?
Huh? Oh.
The French people's dance.
Yeah. That's...
I gotta say, that shirt here, that's pretty advanced for its time. That t-shirt is very advanced.
Brought you by Michelin.
Okay.